Good morning, dear children. Today we'll take up a poem from your syllabus, that is geography lesson. So geography lesson, I have prepared it in a very nice way and I just hope that you all enjoy it, dear children. This lesson is written by, you can see here this entire world actually, I have tried to create this entire PPT for you all for a better understanding this poem. And very soon you'll see that this poem is written by Zulfikar Ghose. And in this poem, actually it is very, you would say, easy to understand. A very difficult concept about humanity has been dealt in a very nicely crafted manner, where the poet is actually, he's traveling in a jet and he describes the view of a city while he is traveling in a jet. From 10,000 feet above, how above from the ground, from this earth? 10,000 feet he was above the ground and the city was looking very different as it is some geographical design. Actually, children, I don't know whether how many of you have traveled in planes or not, but when you see from that height down, actually this it gives you a very panoramic view of this earth, of this our planet earth. And some facts are clear to him, but some are unclear. Some disturbing questions come to his mind when he sits in the jet. Now, to get more information on jets, you can visit. I have given you a site here, children. So what you can do is you can go to this site to understand and to gain more information on jets. Now let's see the striking ideas which the poet has tried to express through this poem. And when the jet sprang into the sky, like when it went up into the sky, the following facts were very clear to the poet. The city had developed, but it looked like a geographical design. So narrow and so congested. Its ground view was haphazard, unplanned and unstylish. Human beings have destroyed many rivers for their selfish purposes. Now, dear ones, we all know that we as human beings, we are expanding, you know that. And for this expansion, our needs have also expanded. And to fulfill our needs, we have actually cut forests, and we have become a cause for these rivers to have dried up, because we have taken up the land, we have taken up, everything from Mother Earth for our own selfish purposes. And now, rivers are as I was talking about rivers, they are blocked or they are destroyed to construct cities. You can see here, we can see overcrowded cities where rivers ran earlier. So you know this fact, I guess you all would be knowing that where the rivers were flowing before, now we can see cities, erected on them. See, you can see the condition of rivers nowadays. They are so polluted. And to know more about river pollution, you can visit this site. We have taken everything from Mother Earth. Valleys are populated. The condition is so bad. And to understand what is populated and what is population explosion, children, to understand this concept, you can always visit this site for a better understanding. It is just little, off the topic. That's why I'm not gonna go into this. But you can always visit this website. And these changes agree with the logic of geography, as land and water always have attracted man. Now, why these changes took place? Because these two things, land and water, were these two things which always attracted human beings. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll go deeper into this, and tomorrow we'll finish up this poem.